Hello everyone, my name is Sahana. I'm from Bangalore. I completed my post graduation, that is MCA, Masters of Computer Applications, in the year 2022. Then I joined Avision, where here placements are 100%. I can suggest everyone to go and join Avision for your better career. And my sincere thanks and gratitude towards Avision. I would like to tell each and every faculty or the trainer, everyone trained us very well, and it was very helpful for us to in the interviews also to crack the interview. And I want to suggest or give the suggestion to everyone, like as a trainers is that for the trainees is that have some patience, so that one or the other companies will give you a call. And I got selected in one company, that is Zone Corporate Solutions, where my salary package was 3.5 LPA. So don't wait for the other opportunities like that, so a better company might come. Please don't wait like that. So you just grab the opportunity, whichever it is, the first one or the second one. And thank you, Avision.